I mentioned it's my favorite time of year. All these people go out there to go start their lawnmowers. Shit don't start, so they just throw it down the curb. Then my ass picks it up. Why? I don't know. Oh shit. Where will I get that plastic cover off? That'll do. Alright. So, anyway, this is what I had on here. This was the original engine pulley. It's 4 inches. This one's 5 inches. I did 5 inches and then 4 in the back. Just kind of as a starting place. I didn't know. Well, I've never done this before, so I just didn't know how much it would bog down or how much it was going to change by just changing both a couple inches. It's fast. Not like scary fast, and that's kind of like what I'm going for, is like scary fast. I want to use this pulley, but it's getting this all concentric that's going to be the problem. We have to find something that fits perfectly in here. I need a design for a gas pedal. Whatever will I get that from?
That summer 50 years ago, huh?
Yeah, this is a good idea. Oh boy. Alright, so today I'm going to focus on lowering the front end and seeing if I can beef up the steering so there's not so much slop at higher speeds. That's how high up it used to be. The seat used to be on top of that, gas tank under that. I deleted that gas tank. I'm going to move a smaller one up there. So I'm going to get this bracket and make it level with that. That way you're sitting that much lower. And I'm going to cut out a notch in here. That way you're recessed kind of in the back there like a bucket. And it's going to look fucking awesome. Okay, so we cut out where the seat mounts and put that right to the frame. Then I put my fender back on. And so we started tacking in some extra metal here. I'm tacking inside here. This has got to get cut down basically flush to that. And then I think I'll be able to get the seat in there and see how that's going to look. I think that's going to look pretty dope. So there we go. There's the left side. See how that's boxed in there. Oh yeah. Sweet. That is some custom shit. Switched from 23s in the back to 16s, drop it down lower. It does go, you know, considerably less fast. It's still got the same amount of acceleration, but I'd say it probably tops out about 30 miles an hour. As much as I like having open pipes on this thing, someone's gonna call the fucking cops. Come over here and see me shirtless on a lawnmower, they're probably just gonna arrest me. So for everyone's best interest, I'm going to make a 2-into-1 exhaust system. I'm going to do something like that, have that tucked in towards the frame and have it come out underneath. So I'm doing body work on a lawnmower right now. I don't know what kind of human trash you need to be to do that, but I fucking accomplished it.
Matthew, is today a good day to go spray painting? No. But is it not raining right now? Yes. So we're gonna fucking spray paint a fucking lawnmower. Hey-o.
First time doing flames. Came out pretty good. Basically just kind of winged it, you know? Just go for it. Came out pretty decent.